Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at basic computer skills to know, yes. And why you have to know these basic computer skills. So, for instance, you're going to look maybe at a job. Definitely, you might ask you for these small skills. And the best way to know the small skills, because when you know the small skills, it's better you to manage your quicker self to get the job. Alright, so we're going to be looking at how to do the following. Right. So the first thing you want to look at is open a document. I'm going to show more than one way to open a document. Insert text, select text. I'm going to show more than one way to select a text. Right, copy and paste the text, cut and paste the text, find and replace text. If you notice I change the font size and the color of the text, right? So this is exactly what you're going to be actually working with. Because if you're going to a company, you have to work with documents and all that. These are things that you must know, right? And delete and backspace the text, very important. Right, so what I wanted to do definitely, the first one you want to be looking at so far. Right, if you notice, open the document. So I'm going to show ways you can open the document. Alright, you can come right here in this blank space, say right click. When you right click, you notice this dialog box come up right here. You're going to come down to new. When you come to new, you can come right here and this is the document. So this is one way. So the other way, you can come right in the search bar. You type, you're going to type Word, the Word document. Now when you type Word, so notice this is the document. So you click, right, and there you go, the document open. Alright, so that's one way. Alright, you can come right here, startup menu, just the same. You notice this little scroll bar right here. You can actually scroll down. Alright, what you wanted to look for is Microsoft Office. Alright, so you're going to take your time and scroll up. So this is Microsoft Office. You're going to click. Notice when I click again, you have to do another scroll up, and this is Service Microsoft where you're going to click on it. Right, so since I have it right here on desktop, we're just going to right click on it and then we're going to open it. Right, just like that. It's very important that you learn how to open that and exactly where to find it and all that. So if you see something like this come up here, just come right here and click on where close, and there you go. Right, so we're going to look at another instruction. Based upon the next instruction, there's say insert text. So we're going to insert text in the document. Right, so therefore we're going, I said my name is John. Right here, just like that. Right, so we're gonna put the next one and said I like apple. Good. So now we actually enter text here in it. So the next thing you want to look at, right, is how to select the text. Very important. Selecting the text, you can either put the cursor anywhere at all, or put the cursor right up here. You can hold on the left side of the mouse or touchpad and just come like this. This is one way to select the text. The next way you can select the text, now put the cursor right here. You're going to come up right up here, click on the word home right here, and you're going to go all the way right over here to where it says select. You notice underneath edit, you're going to click right here. You notice it select all, select object, select text with similar formatting. So what you want to focus on is select all. So when you click on that, you notice you select everything. Alright, so the next thing again, what you wanted to do, you're going to hold on the shift and the control, and then you're going to use the arrow key. Right, so if I put the cursor right here and I hold on shift and the control, I'm going to press the right arrow. Notice the blocking, and I push the down arrow. Notice it's selecting just the same. Alright, good. So that's the three where you can actually select the text. Next, you want to copy and paste the text. Alright, so copy and paste the text now. What you want to do, you can come like this. I can right click on it, and then notice this is where copy. Right, you want to paste it. Right, let me put the cursor right here and press enter. Notice down here, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click. These are some paste option. Right, so you're going to choose anyone. Alright, notice I have it paste right here, but I still have it up here. Alright, very important. And you can actually use Ctrl V to also paste it. Alright, so the next thing that I wanted to do is to cut and paste the text. So I'm going to cut and paste the text. Right, I can use Control X, just the same. Right, you're going to right click, and this is the word cut. I'm going to cut. Notice I'm going to put it right down, and just I'm going to right click again. I'm going to put paste. I notice. So eventually move from here and put it right here. So that's exactly how you actually cut stuff. Alright, the next thing you want to be looking at is find and replace the text. Yes, so we're going to find and replace the text. So what you want to replace now, we replace the word John with Mark. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to come right up here to the top and click on the Home tab. Now when you click on Home tab, you're going to come all the way down here. And notice to replace, you're going to click. Now when you click replace, you bring up this little dialog box. Now if you put the cursor upon it, along left side of the mouse, you can actually drag it anywhere you want it. Just the same. Right, but if you notice up here, so now so find and replace is a find. So find what? Replace with. So what we want to type in here, we want to type the word John. Right here. Now when you find the word John, now right down here, we want to put the word Mark. So we want to okay. Right, and if you notice right here, so replace and replace all, find next and all that. But this is what I want to focus on, because since there's only one. Alright, and notice we have a duplicate right here, so we have to go press all instead. Because if we don't have one, we just press replace on that. Alright, so I'm going to click all this now and press that. If you notice, I'm going to click right here and close it. Now I want to scroll back up and let you see exactly. If you notice, it changed from John to Mark. Yeah, so that is one way you can actually replace. So in case if you are in maybe an interview and you ask you, you know exactly what to do. Right. So the next thing that you want is to change the font size and the color of the text. Alright, so what you wanted to do, you want to block it. To block it, you want to come right up here, so home. Right, you notice the caliper body. Right here, notice where you see the 11, you can click right here. You notice, this is exactly which way that you can actually change the side. Right, just like that. But if I come right here, this big area, I can click like that and increase the text just the same. If I click on small one, I can actually do the same thing, just the same. Right, so I want to change the color. You know, to come right here, you can actually come like this. You notice the color change so far. Alright, so that's how we change the color on it. So the next thing that we want to look at is delete and backspace the text. A lot of time with deleting and touch or backspacing, and a lot of time with backspacing and touch with deleting. Alright, look at it carefully. If I put the cursor at the front right here and I go to the backspace key on the keyboard and click it, you notice nothing move? Yes, nothing move. If I put the cursor right here, the last one, and I press backspace, you notice everything move? Right? If I put the cursor right up at the front and press backspace, nothing move. But if I press the word delete on my keyboard, you notice what happened? Good. So if you want to delete the text, you have to put the cursor in front and then you press it delete. If you want to press backspace it, you have to put the cursor right here at the end and then actually press the backspace like that. So if you notice, press the backspace, going to want to delete it, to put the cursor at the front, and then press the delete key and just like that. So that's exactly how you actually do it. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.